Dumelang ka lapeng re a o amohela kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho, re qala pele ka dihlao tsa tsona. Letona la thuto ya motheo le re dikolo di malala a laotswe ho amohela barutwana kaofela diphaposing tsa borutelo. Dipapading re tla o tlisetsa dintlha kgolo tsa papadi ya Nedbank e bileng pakeng tsa Orlando Pirates le Amazulu. Letona la thuto ya motheo Enje Motshekga le re dikolo di se di loketse ho sebetsa ntle le hore barutwana ba fapanyetsane ka matsatsi. O phatlaladitse Pretoria ka jeno hore bana ba tla kgutlela dikolong tlasa tsamaiso e tlwaelehileng ho qala hosane. Le ha ho le jwalo, o boletse hore lefapha la hae le ntse le buisana le la matlotlo ka diphephetso tse teng maemong a meralo ya motheo dikolong.
Dikolo di a go dira jaaka tlwaelo go simolola ka moso. Tsamaiso eo e ne ya tlhakatlhakangwa ke maemo a leroborobo la COVID. Motshekga a re kgato eno e botlhokwa.
The return to normal timetabling will assist the sector to intensify its implementation of the recovery plan. The learning losses incurred in the past 2 years are indisputably devastating. At the basic education level, Kgothaletso last week, we resolved that the sector will need to be rebooted, recalibrated and repositioned to withstand the debilitating impact of COVID-19 and any other pandemic or life-threatening challenge that we may face.
Motshekga a re mokgwa go katologana le one o fedisitswe mme o kgwetlhile barutabana le barutwana go tlhabela kokwana ya COVID. Le fa go le jalo tlhokego ya mafaratlhatlha le pitlagano kwa diphaposing e santse le tlhoba boroko.
At the right time, we will provide feedback on the progress and the discussions that we are involved with the Minister of Finance and Cabinet on prioritizing this area of infrastructure and see if we can resolve this area and give it the necessary priority attention.
Lefapha la re go tlhokega diranta di le bilione e le nngwe go baakanya dikolo tseo di sentsweng ke dipula tsa matlakadibe. Molemane Mothaise BC News, Pretoria.
Ka mora ho tsamaisa mosebetsi wa motonanahadi ebile e le wa pele ka hara naha wa ho bosoletsa baikopedi ba mosebetsi wa moahlodi moholo lekgotleng la molao wa motheo, Commissioner Ditshebeletso tsa Baahlodi e kgethile moahlodi Mandisa Maya eo e leng mopresidente wa lekgotla le phameng la maipiletso.
Mandisa Maya ke pula madiboho lekaleng la baahlodi ebile mosadi wa pele ho ba moahlodi lekgotleng le phameng la Dikgwebo Eastern Cape. Ya ba mosadi wa pele wa motho e motsho lekgotleng le phameng la maipiletso. Hape ya ba mosadi wa pele ba motlatsa mopresidente wa baahlodi. Ha morao ebile mopresidente lekgotleng le phameng la maipiletso. Mafelong ana a beke o bietse a etsa nalane hape ka morao lebitso la hae le kgothaletswe maemong a wa moahlodi e moholo lekgotleng la molao wa motheo.
What made our task difficult was exactly that the candidates were all of a high quality and the uniqueness of the process, which was also unprecedented insofar as the President, for the first time ever, nominated more than one candidate to be interviewed by the Judicial Service Commission.
Maya o hlaetse Eastern Cape le ho sebetsa makaleng a fapaneng a baahlodi, mme o ikitlaleditse ho boneng diphetoho ntlafatsong ya basadi. Ba bang lekaleng la molao ba dumela ha e leng kgetheng ya loketseng maemo ana.
Well, I think if we're going to look at her leadership role, coming in as president of the Supreme Court of Appeal, it was apparently a very difficult court, and there seemed like a lot of work that needed to be done. And certainly in more recent interviews, candidates speak much more happily about the court as a workplace.
Mopresidente o tla etsa qeto e bang o latela dikgothaletso tsa komishene kapa o thonyang kgetheng wa hae ho ba moahlodi e moholo wa naha.
Ho sa le jwalo kgothaletso ena ya hore moahlodi Mandisa Maya a kgethe ho ba moahlodi e moholo wa naha e amohetswe ka maikutlo a fapaneng ke mekga dipolitiki fela ho le jwalo qeto e tlankwa ke mopresidente Ramaphosa.
The ACDP notes the recommendation by the JSC of SCA President Justice Maya as the new Chief Justice. Should President Ramaphosa accept the recommendation, it will indeed be a historic first for the country, a woman holding the highest judicial position.
They all make the cut and wished him well in appointing the final candidate. He has now been assisted by the JSC as well and other stakeholders.
For the first time in the history of our country, a woman was recommended to become the Chief Justice of our country. But sadly, the entire process was bedeviled by political agendas.
It has always been the view of the Freedom Front Plus that when it comes to appointment of positions, that there should only be one criteria, and that should be merit. The best candidate with the best qualifications must be appointed.
Of all the contestants, Judge Maya has demonstrated that she is the most suitable candidate because of her experience. And our firm view is that her recommendation has got nothing to do with the color of her skin or her gender. It is merely because she is competent and has got an impeccable track record in the judiciary and the justice system as a whole.
Mekgatlo ya Dikgwebo masepaleng wa Mafube province ya Freistata tseka hore e kenyeletswe tsamaisong ya masepala eno ya aparetsweng ke mathata a ditjhelete. Lekgotla le phahameng la dinyewe Bloemfontein ha le so di kahlolo tabeng ya mekgatlo ena ya dikgwebo. Nyewe ile ya ritelwa ka mora ho putlama ha phano ya ditshebeletso masepaleng ona wa Mafube.
Mathata a tswela pele masepaleng wa Mafube o neng o beuwe tlasa tsamaiso. Phano e fokolang ya ditshebeletso e ntse e le pharela e kgolo le ha mmuso o ile wa leka ho thusa, mme sena se entse hore baahi ba eme ka maoto. Mafube Business Forum e re e batla baahi e be karolo ya komiti e tla lekola ka moo ditjhelete tsa setjhaba di sebediswang ka teng ke masepala.
Re thusa ka di-dustbin like se Vulavala Group, and then re hloka support from the municipality.
Ditsela tsa rona ha di maemong a hantle, di bodile, dipula ha di na, bana ba sekolo ha ba kgone ya dikolong.
Mafube Business Forum e re mmuso o hlolehile ho ananela tumellano ya ona le baahi.
We haven't heard anything back from them after we reached a consensus that it is fair and it is profitable for the community and all the stakeholders.
Mmuso ha o hanyetsane ka o phethahala le tlhaiso ena.
E leng hore e teng molaong gore ba ka nka karolo ba participate tsamaisong tsa masepala because ke se molao se dumella, empa e seng hore ba batle hore ba nke control ya masepala.
Provinceng ele ya Bokone Bophirima motseng o le wa Sesotho le Kgothaletso river mo ileng hore baahi ba ile ba iteanya le makgotla a dinyewe o netefatsa hore ba thusa di masepala tsa rona o ka fabnela ka ditshebeletso.
Foramo e re ile ya qobelleha ho leba makgotleng a dinyewe. Magala Masiteng, SABC News, Frankfurt.
Dihwai tse nyenyane tsa dikolobe Northwest di fokusa tlhahiso ha tse ding tsona di inyahlatsa ka hohle ho latela diphephetso tseo di tobaneng le tsona. Di re ditheko tse hodimo tsa dijo tsa diphoofolo le bothata ba ho kenela mmarakeng ho ba sitisa ho tswela pele.
Mogorosi Modisa Utsile o na le dingwaga di le 7 a ikemetse jaaka molemirui. O ikemiseditse go rekisa dikolobe tsa gagwe tsotlhe ka ntateng ya tlhatlhwa e kwa godimo ya dijo tsa dikolobe.
Kgangkgolo ya rona mo dikolobeng mo go bueng ga dikolobe ke dijo, feed ya dikolobe e tura go gaisa ene e tlhatlhoga kgwedi e nngwe le e nngwe. Mo kgwedilo go feed dikolobe tsaka ke spenda 10,000 to 14,000.
Modisa Utsile a re o retelelwa ke go atlega mo go rekisetseng mabenkele a magolo nama ya kolobe.
Ga yana ke ikutlwa ke tshwana ke go di rekisa ka baka la gore le ha ke tswa ke re ke ya go dishopong tse di mabapi le mo ke leng teng ba ka se mfe contract because ke le motho wa mmala o rileng. Go tswa motho wa mmala o rileng a ba kopa contract go go bone ba mo fa contract a ba tla go reka se nna ke se dira a ba go ba se rekisetsa.
Moitseanape wa tsa ikonomi ya temothuo a re tlhatlhwa ya dijo tsa dikolobe e isitswe godimo ke ditiragalo tsa dinaga tsa dikwantle.
The bigger issue with the feed prices, it is coming from the global market and there's nothing that the South African producers can do about it. South America, especially Brazil and Argentina, it's been a problem for all the provinces. South Africa now being producing a lot of pork within the domestic industry, and unfortunately we're not exporting a lot of it.
Lefapha la temothuo mo Northwest la re le tlile go lebelela maano a ka tsengwang tirisong go ema nokeng balemi bao ba itemogelang kgwetlho e. Ke Tebogo Phakedi wa dikgang tsa SABC mo Taung.
Baahi ba metsana e supileng e fumanwang sebakeng se reretsweng go bula morafo o motjha wa Platinum Steel Port ka ntlenyana ho Fort Limpopo ba re ba tshepa hore beng ba morafo ba tla ba kenyeletsa tsamaisong ya ona. Baetapele ba baahi ba ne ba tshwere kopano le bohle ba amehang ho kenyeletswa le khamphani ena ya morafo ya Australia le lekgotla la borena.
Ka ngwaga wa 2010 badudi go tswa ka motsane wa Omkhondweni ka ntlenyana ga Fort ba kile ba neelwa maswanedi ya go hloma moepo wa go rafa platinum. Mengwageng e mehlano morago ga gore ba neelwe maswanedi a badudi ba kile ba hloma segwera sa go rafa le khamphani eo e bitswago Miracle Upon Miracle. Ga bjalo badudi ba latofatšwa khamphani ye le bogoši ka go ba phaela ka thoko.
Be re thaba ge re kwa gore mine wa tla embaranya mešwa ko gore batho ba tle gore thušago ga ba sa re tlhokomela ka baka la gore re lebeletse gore go tlo ba le phokoletso ya go hloka mmereko, unemployment, re go botse gore go tlo ba le ditlhabologo ditsela le dikolo le tše dingwe.
Molaodiphethiši wa khamphani eo e latofatšwago o re o ikemišeditše go berekišana le setšhaba go netefatša gore ba ba karolo ya projeke ya moepo.
What happened today was a very positive, constructive meeting, and that's what I want to say. I think from here on the meeting can move forward and the project can move forward, and I think we're all positive about it.
Moleledi wa mošato wa selegae le go January Nkosi o re seo ba se nyakago ke gore setšhaba se golege go tšwa go projeke ya moepo.
We are going to give more opportunities to the community so that they can be part of the directors.
Metsi yeo go letetšwe gore e golege go tšwa go projeke ye ke motsane wa Matimachi, Phasha, Mamburu le Winterland. Ke Mahlatse Phaladi wa ditaba tša SABC Omkhondweni ka ntlenyana ga Bakersford.
Batho ke phetho ho latela tsa bolipi hopola hore ditaba tsena tsa rona di teng ho YouTube ka ditaba-dikgang athe ho Twitter teng o ka re fumana ka ditaba_dikgang.